MultiCam got started in 1989 in the sign industry, and they had a need for a 3-axis cutter to help in the production of exterior and interior signage. But MultiCam, it's real important for us to have ease of use in our technology. And when we look at the solutions that we provide customers, the ease of use, a single controller, so that when you're trained on a machine, you can apply it to plasma cutters, to routers, to knife cutting solutions, to CO2 lasers, fiber lasers,
and water jets.
Whatever product best fits the application, we have a solution for you.
We have over 14,000 machines in the field and 60 technology centers worldwide. We have configurations from 4x4 to 10x60, all made right here in the USA.
We have architectural ACM panels. We have displays, acrylic displays, steel parts, aluminum extrusions. We have packaging, textiles, foam inserts, wood products. It's a wide variety of products that we supply machines to, and industries that we supply machines to. MultiCam's not a place or a thing. MultiCam is a group of people that truly is a family. We want to give back to our employees. Our employees want to give back to the communities. We invest in education of students at local universities, both in technology and senior projects.
MultiCam matters because we do offer a great cutting solution for every industry out there. And we're here with you every step of the way with your application needs.
In the 16 years I've spent with MultiCam selling our CNC solutions to companies all over the state, one of the very first MultiCam customers is still in business today, and the machine they purchased in 1991 is still in operation in their facility. Just last year, they purchased a second MultiCam after buying a cheaper competitor some years back.
MultiCam matters to thousands of customers all over the world because our USA-made product makes them profitable. I've been infatuated with this start button for over 20 years that I've worked at MultiCam. The whole workflow of being able to take an individual's idea and create a part that actually gets picked up off the table is very stimulating for me. I've had a multitude of people come and describe to me our workhorse equipment and our great service.
Hi, my name is David Yos. I'm the president of Cardinal Metals in Dallas, Texas. We have been in business for 40 plus years now. We are a full line steel distributor. We provide raw material to different industries, and we also provide cut parts and some prefabricated parts of that first line of processing that our customers have asked us to provide over the years. Once we started our production department and built it to this point today, the parts we produce with the MultiCam machines represents almost 50% of our revenue.
I'm Andy Vaughter with MPS. We at MPS, we do acoustics. We've been doing that for over 25 years. MultiCam's technology and our new products that we were able to bring out with that, we're able to take that and go service those existing clients with new products to make them even happier and help them even more. So it's been very instrumental in our growth and continued prosperity in our company.
So you can buy a cheaper machine, but if you invest in a MultiCam, you've got a top quality product that's going to last for decades. You've got a partner for life that's truly vested in your success.